Do you think being a diver is cool? I'm Melissa and you're watching Mel's Scuba World on YouTube. Today, I want to talk about how to become a scuba diver. Many of you ask me, Mel, I know how to float, but I don't know how to swim. Mel, I know how to swim, I don't know how to float. Mel, I don't know any of it. Can I be a diver? So today, I will talk about a syllabus of a PADI Open water and the requirement. Before we get into that, I would like to know why you like to be a scuba diver. Are you a snorkeler that loves the water so much like me? And we want to expand our exploration and be down there near the marine life to get to know them better? Or are you a person that has been forced from your partner or your friend just because they're diver and need dive buddies to dive with them? Or are you a type of person just think diving is just cool? Either of your answer on this one is very, very important for me to know when I teach a new student, because I know your expectation and I want to think like how you think or change the way you think about things and help you. That is one thing about being a diver too that is awesome. We got to meet a lot of people all around the world. As for me, being a scuba diver instructor, I don't really need to travel so much to meet new people all over the world. The world come to me. But right now, due to COVID-19, nobody can come in and out anyway. So Facebook is a good network to still keep in touch with each other. Let's jump into the PADI Open water course syllabus and requirement. You do need to know how to swim, and you need to know how to float for 10 minutes without any flotation device. If you know how to float for 10 minutes without the flotation device, you can take the scuba diving license, where you can only dive for 12 meters and have your dive buddy as a minimum dive professional, dive master. If you don't know how to swim or float, you can start with Discover Scuba Dive. Many of you pick this option before you do your license because you want to know if you really like this sport. It's hot. Are you a person that loves hot? I love it, but I'm just hot. Okay, so right now let's jump into a PADI Open water syllabus. There is 3 parts of it. You need to do a knowledge development, which is theory, confined waters, and open water dives. So let's talk about the knowledge development. You can either do it at your own comfort. You can sign up for e-learning. You can just learn on your own pace using your tablet or just computer. Or you can just learn the development part at the dive center itself. Then you will go through the videos, the quizzes, and final exam, everything at the dive center. PADI do have a standard of 75% is a passing mark for your exam theory. If you fail, there is an exam B, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay? As long as you try. Then it leads to confined waters. Confined waters is when you will learn how to set up your gears. You will learn how to do the essential skills and the safety skills. Once you are comfortable with the skills, then it will lead to the open water dives, where your instructor will directly be with you under the water and see you, and basically to see and make sure you master your skills from confined waters, and you will do a full dive exploration with them, with 4. Okay, once you complete these 4 open water dives, you will get certified. You will get a card that doesn't have an expiration date. It's lifetime. And don't forget to ask your instructor if you can get the card that has a project aware, where you do need to donate to PADI for a little amount, so that your 100% of your donation goes towards ocean conservation, driving change to clean and ocean health. If you want to become an eco diver, do watch one of my videos in my description below. I also have links on where you can purchase some eco products to start with to be an eco person or an eco diver. Share, comment, like the video, and hope this video helped many of you that are keen on taking a scuba license. If you have any question, do comment it below. I will be gladly to help you and answer your questions. Do follow along my Instagram or my email if you do want to contact me in person. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Till then, let's enjoy this beautiful sea.